All right, we made it. We're here at the train museum.
Yay.
It's right outside of Pier 2.
And we're gonna go see
The trains. I see it.
old trains that are not being used right now.
We already started eating before we decided to GoPro. We're here on Pier 2. We crossed the walking bridge and we found this little place, this little shop. I decided to get some Korean fried chicken and she got some Thai noodles. And this is what a combo meal looks like. Comes with a little bit of soup, vegetables with some pork or beef on it.
Pork sauce, yeah.
Pork sauce? What is this?
This is, you can probably think of it as like a shrimp spring roll.
Okay. Yeah, and then this also came with her combo, which is the rice with the pork, with minced pork. Everything here is delicious. It's incredible.
This is Virak's last happy meal.
Yeah, I'm gonna start trying to eat a little bit healthier while I'm out here, before I die of diabetes.
The fish sandwich looks interesting.
We're just standing around looking for a place to sit and eat because these ladies are finished, but they're just kind of chatting, sitting around chatting. So I'm hoping that once they finish chatting, we'll take over the chairs. Or I might just be like, hey, can we take over? You guys done?
What do you need help with?
Eating it.
Wow, that looks pretty good. Is it good?
I think the best way I can describe it, it's like a glorified steak and cheese. Like you said, the scallions kind of create that Asian flavor. But to use the word bulgogi is a little misleading because it doesn't have the bulgogi sauce. It's just like strips of beef. Want to explain to the viewers?
Oh. So in Virginia, the only popcorn chicken option that we have is like to drive to Maryland and then order popcorn chicken, and maybe at the most you get to order some fried tofu and fried fish ball, and that's it. But the real popcorn chicken culture in Taiwan is this. We have an overwhelming variety of options here, including fresh vegetables, like fish cake, taro cake, fried tofu,
Chicken feet.
little fish, corn dog, anything.
This is gonna be my first, well, not my first. I've had, oh, hold on, I gotta turn this camera around. Oh my God. Hello. Oh.
Oh my gosh. What a...
I was gonna say, how do I edit this video? There's so much to see, show, but they'll never understand. All right, is it time for this fried chicken cutlet that we're gonna try?
Fried chicken cutlet.
Actually, brother, if you want some too.
Is it 很好?
We just had fried chicken, and just when we thought it was over, now we're back out for food again.
Make the sauces for you. This is radish, smashed radish.
This is one.
Yeah, that's yours. I actually just want some soy sauce because I don't like garlic in my sauce. This is soy sauce. I'll get some hot pepper.
If I come back to America and I'm really fat, this is why. Eat every single.
美国有这样吃牛肉吗？
这样留一点给你用好不好？
Would you like have to make the video afterwards to talk about what's happening?
Yeah.
他搞不好这次回去他就变网红了，
Do you know what's happening?
She's
然后
putting in
就
a fresh
变成
seafood.
他主要的工作就干脆就来台湾拍影片这样。
This is the
他有在拍影片吗？
this is kind of this is like the paste that they use to make the fish balls, sweet balls, you know. This is the more natural form. I mean, it's still processed, but you know,
It's fresh.
it's fresh.